Hello guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to split your screen on Oppo phone. So if you're like the multitasking type, you want to maybe watch a video and while you're texting someone, I'm going to show you how you can do both by using the split screen feature on Android phone. So for example, you're watching some videos on YouTube and then you want to maybe what is it replay someone's text. So for example, like this, I watch this video and then there's a text coming and I want to replay it, but I don't want to leave the video. So just click on these three horizontal lines and then it will show up like this. Let me repeat that. Just click on this and then you can adjust the size of each screen. For example, I'm going to replace someone's message just like so. The message will show up like this and then you can just type in your message while you're watching the video, for example like this. So, just like that. Let me pause the video first. Okay, so this is very useful, especially if you're the multitasking type, and if when you're done replying the message, just swipe this and then you can go back to watch the video that you're watching on YouTube, for example. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can use the split screen on Oppo phone. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.